Make a list of the things that you use every day. Find out how many of them are natural or man-made. Have you included air, water and soil also, since you get them from nature? These things are obtained from nature, called natural resources. Do you think the things we get from nature are limitless? What about coal and petroleum? Are these resources limited? Can human activities exhaust them? Before start natural resources, I will tell you about the topics which we learn in this chapter. What the natural resources are. The difference between the exhaustible and inexhaustible natural resources. What is coal, how it is formed, and what are its various uses. Coal, petrol and natural gases are three important fossil fuels. The three important fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Identify the different ways of conserving resources. Now we will discuss about natural resources. First we need to understand what is the meaning of natural resources. We need a large number of materials for our survival. Some of these materials are man-made and some are natural. Most materials required for our survival, such as air, water, sunlight, soil, etc., are provided by nature. Therefore, these materials are called natural resources. Natural resources means resources obtained from nature. All the natural resources are not present in the same amount in nature. Some of them are in limited amount, while others are in an unlimited amount.